I gotta take a thumbnail. I look so weird without my glasses. Huh. Forgot them at home today. Hey guys, what's up? It is me. It is Monday and this video is probably gonna go up the same day. I have not been able to post a video all last week. I just feel like I've been so busy and I'm also kind of struggling to figure out like what I want to post. So I'm gonna do a very quick vlog today. I just figured I'd bring you along for the ride. I am in need of a jacket. I have not had a jacket all last winter. I was literally living off of like doubled up sweaters and sweatshirts. So I said, Samantha, you have to go get a jacket this winter. So it got really, really cold on Sunday. Literally had a poncho. That was it. So today I'm headed into Burlington and hopefully I find a jacket. The rest of this video is probably going to be voiceover because I hate talking to myself in the middle of a store if I don't have to. Let's go. So when I got into the dressing room, I went to lock the door and then I realized it was broken, which is probably why it was open in the first place. But I had to get over it. So onto the jackets. There was 3 different jackets that I had. So the first jacket, they're kind of actually all similar now that I look at them. But I wanted something that was black, a little bit puffy, good for the winter time. I like this one because it had a drawstring by your waist. But there was just something about it that it wasn't like vibing with me. I just didn't like this jacket. So on to the second. The second one I was really excited about because I really liked the gray and black together. This was similar with the first one too. It also had a drawstring by the waist. And it was nice and like furry on the inside, which kept me really, really warm. This one defined the waist a little bit more. But the fur, the faux fur on the hood wasn't as fluffy as I wanted it to be. But it was nice. I liked it, obviously, as I do my happy dance. Then we have one more jacket. And I think you guys can see for yourself as soon as I put this jacket on. Everything changed. I love this jacket. I love the hand inserts for the thumb. It keeps the cold breeze from going up the sleeve. It was fluffy enough for me. It would keep me warm. I love the fur on the hood. This was the perfect jacket. I found the one and I was happy. I also noticed that when I put my hands on the inside, there was fur lining the pockets. So that was a really nice surprise. So this is the close-up of the jacket. This is the front of the jacket here. And this is the back of the jacket. As you can see, the fur is like nice and fluffy. The jacket itself is like almost like a bubble jacket, but it's not like too much. Here are the hand inserts here. It's made from like pure polyester, super, super soft material. Love that accent to the jacket. Also, on the inside of the jacket, is just like a regular liner of, I think it's polyester as well. However, I didn't find it to be overly like hot. I actually wore this jacket today and I really loved it. Here's the inside of the pockets that I was talking about, how they're kind of lined with fur. This is probably one of my most favorite parts about this jacket. This is so comfortable when you're walking around. It just makes the jacket cozy. So my next step is kind of looking at what the jacket is made of. All good to go. And then the price. And the price was right. 60 bucks for a Nautica jacket. I am winning at life. All right, guys, I am back in the car. I found the love of my life. Sorry, Kyle. This jacket, I showed you guys a better clip of it. I love that it's black. It goes with everything. And the fur is not like that matted fur. It's a faux fur, but it's really nice and fluffy and it looks good. I am now on the way home. I should have filmed this really cute video for you guys yesterday, but I was too into like what I was doing. I found this really good fall recipe for a fall inspired dessert. It's quick, it's easy as hell. So if you do not bake and you burn everything and you mess everything up, this is for you, because I feel like you cannot mess this up. It's fun to do with kids or just by yourself or with your husband like I did yesterday. So what I'm probably gonna do is film that video for you guys this week coming up. So that way you have 2 quick like vlog videos from me for this week. I have just been really busy between work, and I'm throwing a Halloween party this Saturday. So if you guys are interested in seeing like what I'm doing as far as decor, food, or like anything regarding the party, let me know, and I will film that for you. Let me know in this video down below quick, because that is going on this Saturday. I'm super excited because if anybody doesn't know, Michael Myers is like, oh, the other love of my life. I grew up watching Michael Myers every Halloween. I love that series so much. So when I heard that they were coming out with a new Michael Myers movie, first of all, I thought it was a joke. And then I found out it was real, you guys, and I was so excited. So on Saturday, it premieres Friday on the 19th, but Saturday is my party. So what we're gonna do is me and a group of people are gonna go see this on Saturday morning, and then at night I'm throwing my Halloween party. So that is the plan for this weekend. So if you guys want to see a little vlog of the party and going to see the movie, let me know. If not, I can just do that fall dessert or both, whatever you guys want. Alright, so I think that's it for this video, guys. It's a very short vlog. I'm gonna close it out here for today. It's going up late, but at least I'm getting something up. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.